What's up guys, it's your boy Bless, and today we're gonna do a product review for the SCHWALBE Hurricane Performance 2.25 29-inch tires. But before anything else, please help me click like and subscribe for more awesome videos. Let's go! So initially I bought the SCHWALBE Hurricane for my everyday tire, for going to work or for riding wherever. They really did an awesome job on the pattern. The flat center sorta looks like gravel bike tires. And I really love the side knobs, and I think it will become really useful for riding different terrains. I installed it to my Marlin 7. It's a hardtail, and now let's give it a try. So I really love it on the road. It's quiet and it doesn't really slow me down. It's so smooth and it has a really nice roll into it. Now for a bit of rough terrain, some grass, soil, and I still have good control and can still pick up. It also rides well on loose terrain. The side knobs really helps a lot. And now for some loose gravel. I still have good control and the tire really does the job. Even when it's raining and the tires are wet, I still feel confident and I still feel safe riding with it. The verdict, I'll give the tire 4.5 out of 5. I don't know, maybe there's some other tire out there that is way better than this, but this is the best tire I had so far, and I'll stick with it. I feel very confident. I feel it doesn't hold me back. I feel safe with it, and cost-wise, it's kind of cheap. It's light and versatile. It's a very good choice for an everyday tire. The pattern of the tire is really great, and it's really worth it to give it a try. I'll stick to this tire for a while, and after a month or two, I'll do another review to see how is it doing. So till then, guys, please help me click like and subscribe for more awesome videos. Until next time, ride safe. Peace!